Hey everyone, are you ready for the upcoming wedding show? Whether you're planning your dream wedding or just starting out, we've got some essential tips to help you make the most out of your experience. So let's dive in. Create your game plan in advance. So go right to the Ottawa Wedding Show website, get a list of all the vendors that are going to be there. I would highly recommend you print out their floor map so you know exactly where they are located, so you can circle them, highlight them, check them off. It really doesn't matter how you identify them. You have the opportunity to research the vendors that are going to be at that show in advance, so you know exactly what they are offering, which will help you decide if you need to stop by there. And it also will prevent you from missing out on must-see booths. So tip 2, bring a notebook. Trust us, you'll want to take some notes. With so many ideas and opinions, it is so easy to forget all the details. So jotting down the ideas you see at the show or in booths or items you see at the show that you may want to rent for your wedding, this is a great way to take note of that, because thinking you're taking a photo, it may not be enough. So it's much easier to take notes and have that notebook handy. It doesn't need to be a big notebook. It can be a tiny little one from the dollar store, right? Just be prepared. At the same time, tip number 3, bring a sheet of pre-done address labels with all of your contact details on there. Your name, your phone, and your email are the 3 things you're going to need. What this will do for you is you can enter the draws by just peeling and sticking that label on the draw form. This way you don't have to fill them all out manually at the show, because there's quite a few different booths that are going to have a draw. And this is not just for you. You want to increase your chances? Why not have all the people that you're going to show with you do exactly the same with their contact details? Because if they fill out yours, or they can fill out yours, but again, if they fill out yours, I'm not sure if that's the best benefit, because if they have 3 prizes, you can't win 3, right? So maybe they have a first, second, and third. If there's 3 different people, but 2 of them are from your group, you could potentially have 2 ways to use their offer. Like if it's from a rental company like my own, well, guess what? If you win one, let's say your family member wins another, you can use it for one for the shower, one for the wedding. These are just ideas, right? So I want you to be prepared and be able to take advantage of all the different options at the show. And bring a small tote bag, whether it's one of those little tiny fits in a little pouch bag. I always bring one with me. I have it in the car for groceries, but I bring it into the show. The reason is that the Ottawa Wedding Show will give you a bag until they run out. I don't think they typically run out, but you just never know. You might have an influx one year and there's more people attending than there are tote bags. So have one with you. It doesn't hurt. If it fits in your pocket, it's nothing lost, right? Because there's a lot of vendors that will have paper product that you will want to take with you, whether it's an invitation to an open house, their business card, their brochure, their trifold flyer. There's always something that you can be picking up and keeping so that you can go home and take the time to review them with time, where you're not rushed walking on the show. And tip number 5, don't go alone. Bring friends, bring some family. It is just way more fun when you have company and you're walking the show floor. Another reason is that when you're walking the show floor, they're also looking around, so they might spot something that you didn't see. So they can bring your attention to it, because if they're well aware of your goal of the show, they can definitely help you and support you with finding all the right things that you're looking for, right? So, and tip number 6, the show specials, they vary from booth to booth. So if you are prepared, you can then make the educated decision on the spot if you want to take advantage of the show special, because there might be show specials that are just valid while at the show. But if you have no idea what it is that you need, or from what vendors you need something, you won't be able to take advantage of them. If you are attending both days, which is great, you go Saturday, you collect your information, you go back Sunday, and you can pull the trigger on things that you've decided on. So these are just essential tips for preparing for the upcoming wedding show. We can't wait to see you all there, and be ready to explore all the different trends and the latest trends, and meet the amazing vendors, and be inspired and get inspired for your big and special day. So see you March 28th and the 29th at the Ottawa Wedding Show at the EY Center. And you can find Fiesta Ottawa in booth 630 near the reception area on the show floor. We look forward to welcome you to our booth. Make it a great day.